Talk Talk! Renovation hacks you should know! Hack number 12!
My name is Joey.
And I am Lee.
And our hack number 12 is about space transformation through paint techniques.
Today we are going to discuss with you some paint techniques to achieve optical illusions sa mga room spaces natin. So generally, when we use cool and light colors, mas pinapalayo or pinapalawak yung itsura ng mga rooms. On the other hand, kapag naman gumamit tayo ng warm and darker shades, mas lumalapit yung tingin natin, making it more smaller tingnan. And then, aside from these facts, may mga optical illusion techniques kami i-share sa inyo to achieve yung ano man yung desire nyo to make it look more bigger ba, wider ba. Kasi there are rooms kasi na parang sa sobrang laki, tapos wala ka masyadong furnitures or kagamitan, you want to achieve the look na parang mukha siyang puno. O kaya naman, pag naman sobrang liit ng space, we want naman ma-achieve yung mas malaking tingnan. So, lalo na ngayon dito sa Metro Manila, lahat ng tao talagang nagsisiksikan dito sa Metro Manila. So, mas lumiliit yung mga living spaces ng karaniwan sa atin. So, what can we do para ma-achieve natin yung space illusion para magmukhang kaaya-aya sa kung ano yung condition na kinaharap ng bawat isa sa atin.
Now, since our hack number 12 is about space expansion or space transformation through paint techniques, this is the number one idea that we can use. So, number one is how to expand your space if you have a really small space. So, to expand the space, dapat ang gagamitin mo ay white or light colors sa wall and sa ceiling. That makes it look spacious. Yan. Actually, recently, marami kaming ginawa na mga nagpapaputi lang ng unit. Puti na ceiling, puti na walls, and kasi nga, yun yung gusto nilang ma-achieve. Gusto nila, mas malaki tingnan yung spaces nila. Okay? Number two, decreasing the space. So, what we can do to decrease the space, which is very uncommon naman for most people to want their spaces to be decreased, but there's still other people that wants to decrease their spaces. So, para magawa yon, we have to paint naman the walls and the ceiling ng darker colors. Gets? So, number one is to expand the space, use light colors or white sa ceiling at saka sa wall. Number two, to decrease the space is mag-darker color naman ng paint sa wall and sa ceiling.
Optical illusion number 3 naman would be to stretch the space vertically. Paano natin ma-achieve yung vertical illusion na mas stretch siya? So we are going to use the combinations of light color and darker shades. So to achieve this, kailangan nating kulayan ng darker shades yung wall at i-stick natin sa light color yung ceiling, which is most of the time naka-white. And for number 4, if we want to stretch the space horizontally, same thing, gagamit pa rin tayo ng kombinasyon ng light color and dark shade na paint. Pero this time around, ikikip natin na white pa rin yung ceiling or light colored, and then sa walls, doon na tayo maghahati ng paint colors. So, pwedeng yung sa taas na part, because we want to stretch it wider, sa kalahati ng walls ng room, i-color natin siya ng darker shade. Tapos yung kalahati is kung ano yung light colored na pinaint natin sa ceiling. In doing so, magmumukhang stretch yung buong room horizontally.
Now, talking about the combination of light and darker colors, for our number 5, ang illusion naman na gagawin natin is to elongate the space. So, to elongate the space with a combination of dark and light colors of paint, what we need to do is to paint the ceiling and one wall ng dark color, and then the left and right wall is light color. So, contrasting yan ha, ceiling and one wall is dark color, and then left and right wall, light color. That is to elongate the space. So, mukha siyang mas mahaba tingnan if you have a really short space. Yeah. And number 6 is to shorten the space. So, if you have really long space and you want na parang mas cozier yung feeling mo kapag mas maliit siya tingnan, is paint the ceiling, the right and the left wall ng light, and then one back wall would be dark color. So it's like meron kang accent wall na tinatawag. So that makes the space look shorter or much cozier.
And for our number 7, if we want to tighten the space or to close the space, same thing, gagamit pa rin tayo ng two-toned na paint, isang dark shade at saka lighter color. So, ang technique lang is to paint yung magkabilang walls ng dark shade. Tapos, ikikip pa rin natin na light colored yung back wall and yung ceiling. And number 8 would be to bring down the wall. How to do it? Ida-dark shade natin yung ceiling. And the rest, yung
Of
mga
the
walls, mag-stick lang din sa light colors.
That's number 8. And for number 9, which is the last one, I think this is also very common na, no? Yung highlighting the wall. So, yung meron kang specific wall na i-highlight or ipapakita, ganyan. So, we will paint the ceiling and the two walls ng dark, and then light color yung isang wall na gusto mong i-highlight.
So that's it for our hack number 12, which is all about space transformation through paint techniques. So
Yes.
again, number 1 would be to stretch the space,
Expanding the space.
expanding the space, and then decreasing the space.
Number 2, decreasing
the space. Number 3, stretching the space vertically, stretching the space horizontally. And then number 5, elongating the space or enlarge the space. And number 6, tightening the space or shortening the space. And number 7, closing the space. Number 8 is bringing down the wall. And lastly, highlighting the walls.
Yes. Now, if you have any more ideas kung paano pa tayo makakapagawa ng illusion using paint techniques, you can comment down below para at least meron din kaming malaman galing sa inyo.
Yes. And if you are looking for a team that can do the paint techniques that we just share with you guys, andito po ang Space Creative Solutions PH. You can message us on our social media, on Facebook and Instagram.
You can also contact us through our numbers and email address.
So,
That's
that's
it.
it. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.
Now you know.